Let's see how to set up TP-Link Dual Band Mesh Extender. You need to download TP-Link Tether apps from Google Play Store. You need to create an account for your router. You need to set up a password to control your router. Now I connect the extender to my root network. Similarly, you need to connect 5 GHz band network. It is a dual band Wi-Fi extender. The name of this extender does not change. It will be the same as your main router. Your device will automatically connect when you move.